Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to try this Scotch Blue painter's tape applicator. I have a love-hate relationship with painter's tape. I use painter's tape because if I don't use tape, I make a huge mess. And when I do use tape, it pulls some of the paint off. And they say, oh yeah, I use better paint, blah, blah, blah. I've used all sorts of different kinds of paint, and this always happens. All different types of primer. Yeah, it drives me nuts. But anyway, so I'm gonna try this. Take it out, package, looks like this. Has a spot on the bottom, has like little rub spots. And to open it up, you twist it. So you see how that works, twist it. Find the end of the tape, we're gonna bring it over this. We're gonna give it a little cut. And we'll start right in the corner. So I'm going to feed this right to the edge, hopefully. I can get it right in the corner. It looks pretty close anyway. Well, that's not close enough, but decent. Okay, so you just slide this along. This is amazing. Okay, I'm absolutely sold on this product already. Look at that. Okay, it tears off. I'm gonna start up at the top here. We're good there. Wow. So I'm just going to go over this one edge by the trim. I'm not gonna, push on the bottom part. Same with this part here, just on the very edge by the trim, right from there. This thing worked really, really well. I am completely sold on this product. I'm going to be using this every time I paint because putting tape up sucks, okay? And I'm not good at it. This is much better. It does a much better job than I can. It's so much faster. So anyway, I'm sold on this. 2 thumbs up. Love it. Also, there will be a link in the description, okay, if you want to go to the Amazon store and pick something up. It helps the channel out. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Cheers.